virtual open houses. And today we are in the medical assisting lab with Marie Williams, our clinical medical instructor and STNA coordinator. So Marie, tell us a little bit about you.
Well, my name is Marie Williams. I've been a nurse for going on 36 years. I've been teaching here from Madison Adult Career Center for going on 17 years now. And this is what I do. I love teaching. I teach here, the medical assistant program, the clinical aspect, and I just enjoy doing that. It's a great place to work. We have wonderful students. We put on a wonderful program. Our clinical side, they get the chance to do a lot of hands-on things. Today we're doing a pharmacology lab, a clinical, where people from the outside are actually coming in and the students are actually being able to administer medications, give injections, and just things like that. So it's a lot of fun for them, good experience for them.
What other kinds of activities have you set up for them to have some real life experience in the lab?
In the lab setting, well, they'll go to externship here soon. Some are already out on externship sites where they actually will go to a doctor's office or a clinic, and they actually will get to do work, physically do work, getting their externship hours in. Here we do to the pharmacology lab. I've brought in physical therapists to work with them a little bit. Wow, we do so many different things. We actually go out in the community sometimes. Because of COVID, we haven't been able to like we normally would, but we've gone out in the community sometimes. We've done some outreach work. We've been to the homeless shelter, done some work there. So we do go out in the community and do some outreach work also.
That's one of the great things I love about this program. Not only do they learn from their textbooks and from your knowledge, but they actually get some hands-on practice with a lot of these activities you set up. So that's really important before they go out into the workforce. Right. So thank you for doing that.
Yes, we enjoy it. We love it.